In this video, we're going to a secret spot. It's gonna be a surprise for baby girl. Baby girl, are you excited?
I'm super excited. It's our anniversary.
It'll be our anniversary, taking it to a secret spot. I'll catch you guys over there. We are about 30 minutes away. Baby, any clue where we are?
I have no clue. I was playing with my phone and I wasn't paying attention. So I really have no clue.
That's a good sign. It's still a big surprise for baby girl.
Big surprise.
We'll catch you guys over there. We are arriving at our destination. Baby girl has figured out where we're going. Where are we going, baby?
We're in Fort Myers. I know that.
We're not in Fort Myers though.
I mean, sorry. This is Sanibel.
Yep.
Sorry.
Any idea where we're going?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the dairy. No longer.
Oh. We're going to
Periwinkle.
Periwinkle.
Periwinkle. And here it is. Look at this traffic.
Periwinkle. Wow, this is pretty bad.
Here's the entrance to Periwinkle.
Wow, this is pretty bad.
I can even see the street.
It's over there.
Yep.
He has to go forward. Periwinkle. I forgot my name.
Look at that traffic.
It's horrible. Like, what is going on? Your name is my name too.
I'm gonna get off and check in. I checked in and we are on the way to our campsite, Site 81. Here we are. It's gonna be Site 81, which is right here. So baby girl's gonna film me. Baby! Baby girl. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Juan Carlos. If you haven't been here, if you've been here, welcome back. Here we are in Sanibel at Periwinkle Park and Campground. We are in Site 81. Let's go ahead and check it out. Here's Site 81. Let's come around the side here. Came with a picnic table. I have a little setup back here. Oh, look who it is. It's baby girl.
Baby girl resting.
Baby girl resting. Hi, baby.
Hi.
So hi. We have the barbecue. Have a little sink. Just come around the other side. You have your water hose hookup. You have a 30 amp. And a 120 watt, and you have your solar line. It's our street, 5W. We're gonna head out now and get some groceries. We'll catch you guys later. Jerry's Food is the main supermarket in Sanibel. They have a parking lot underneath the supermarket. The entrance, we're on the lower level. The grocery store, Jerry's, is on the top level, second floor. It's a little strip mall here. Here's Jerry's. This is after the hurricane.
Here's the inner coaster to get to Sanibel Beach. I'm doing a run and I made it from the campground, Periwinkle Park and Campground, to the lighthouse. It's about 2 miles from there to here. I'm gonna head out back now. So you can see they're still under construction here.
After my run, baby girl and I went for a bike ride. Here we are, campsite 81. I'm going to go to the beach now. I already dropped off baby girl at the beach with the vehicle. You're not allowed to park over there unless you are a resident of Sanibel Beach. So I'm riding the bike over there and I'll take you all along. We are on W5. We're gonna head to the main street, just right here. And we're gonna head to the back of the campground, which there's a little path and a gate to go to the beach. There's the gate to go in and out. There's a little path to the right for pedestrians and bicycles. There's a little dirt road. Nice homes back here. Really nice one right there. And we're gonna go to the first street, Narita Street, make a left, and we just go all the way down to the end. That's where the beach is. Gotta grab the steering wheel with the other hand, I gotta shift gears here. There's a sidewalk here you can get on. Some of these homes are under construction because of the storm. Where the residents park to go to the beach. If you're not a resident, you will get a ticket. I believe that's baby girl over there. Hey, baby. Huh? You're freezing? Oh no. Baby girl says it's cold. It's 66 degrees, but the sun's out. It's a lovely day. Oh, look at all that equipment. Beach repair. Look at the kids. I have a little playground there. All right. Enjoy the day. Places we ate at: Dog Forge Rum Bar and Grill. Baby girl had the banana leaf grouper and I had the cider blank salmon. For dessert we had the double-decker brownie. It was delicious. For lunch we went to Mudbug's Cajun Kitchen. We had the clam chowder soup, bayou shrimp, and Mardi Gras shrimp. We ate in the second floor balcony. The restaurant is unique looking with a nice ambience. We also dined at the Timbers Restaurant and Fish Market. The food here was outstanding. Food was so good, I forgot to take pictures. Highly recommend this place. We also ate at the Mucky Duck in Captiva. There's the entrance to Periwinkle Park and Campground. We're gonna go down the main road here. There is a nice E-Pro on our left hand side here. For the most part, everything to the left is permanent residential. We're gonna go to the campsites, and it's gonna be here. One of them will be right here, 3W, lots 200 or 250. I'm gonna start on the left side. Our very first time we stayed in that one, 2 or 3 I believe it is. They did not have that concrete slab when we stayed. They've done on upgrades. That's a little path that goes to where we are, towards the beach. sites on pull-throughs for large rigs. There is a gate on the fence here that leads you to Hustler's Market where you can get beverages and ice. This area here is for tents only. There are picnic tables throughout as well. Those are the restrooms, bathhouse for the other side of the campground. Here's your recycling and garbage bins, and you have an outdoor patio overviewing the lake. We're gonna head out now to the other sites where we are. The men's restroom. Here's the bathhouse restroom we're using. And showers. 3 showers. Been cleaning here. Screen door. You have a little area there to cut your fish. There's a sink if you go fishing. Hangout area. There's tables. There's a microwave in there. This is where we're going. This is W5 or 5W rather. You have your garbage recycling. Here's RGO Pro, Site 81. Site 80 is nice, it's big. And here's the path that leads you between sites 203 and 204. of the little zoo they had after the hurricane. All animals survived and were taken to other facilities. That sad moment has arrived where we have to leave this beautiful campground. Hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
You got it, baby girl.
That side the tree's fine?
Yeah, keep going. I'll let you know. You're good. Keep going. And the campground is ready for the next camper, Site 81. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button for future videos. Till next time, everybody. Gotta turn in your fob. They give you this card to go in and out of the gate. It's a $25 deposit, so forget to return it so you get your $25 back.